Hey everyone, Josh here with 1215 Day Trading, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the returns that my stock picks have made for the month of September. Now for September, we had a total of 22 trading days, and during that time, I had 20 trading plans trigger an entry, so that is just shy of averaging one trade a day. Now, if you've been following me for some time, you'll notice that my trading plans are designed in pre-market and are meant to be traded once the market officially opens. But so far for 2022, there just hasn't been many plays that are super obvious during the pre-market time that I'm creating these plans. If you look at where I post all my trading plans, you'll notice several days where it says active trading plans and scanners. And these are days where I'm watching stocks that I was looking at recently, or I'm watching the scanners for something new because I'm not finding anything super obvious to play once the market opens. But what I have been noticing here in the past few months is that there's been a lot of decent plays that aren't so obvious in pre-market but end up hitting my intraday scanners that end up being very interesting. So I've been trying to focus more on my scanners to try to get at least one trade a day. But of course, if nothing shows up on my scans that I like, then I'm simply not going to trade. I'm not going to force anything just for the sake of making a trade, which is why there were a few days that I didn't trade at all. All right, so going over my performance here, there was a total of 20 trades. We had 12 winners and 7 losers. One of them was a break-even trade, which is this one right here. So this gave us a win rate of 63.2% at hitting the suggested targets that were called out in the chat room. Now over here in this section, I have some hypothetical stats on what these trades could have produced depending on how you calculate your position size. Right here is the percentage return that the trades could produce if you were to throw your entire account balance into every single trade. So if you sold every single position at the minimum suggested target, you would have made 18.8% with the potential to make up to 175.3% if you held the position past the minimum target levels. Now, throwing your entire account balance into every single trade is extremely aggressive and extremely risky. So I do not advise position sizing this way. What I actually prefer and recommend is risking a set dollar amount on every single trade. So you do this by calculating how many shares you need to take on the trade if you were to risk X amount of dollars. So down here, I have a hypothetical scenario if you were to risk $100 on every single trade. All right, so if you were to risk $100 on every single one of these trades, you would have a minimum gain of $800, but with the potential to make up to $3,300. All right, so hypothetically, if you averaged one trade a day for the month of September following all of these picks, you could make in between $800 to $3,300. Now, of course, every single month is different. Sometimes you'll have a lot of stocks that make huge returns, and sometimes you'll have a lot of stocks that make small returns. But the point I'm trying to get across here is that you don't need multiple trades a day to make money. All you need is to be patient, be selective, and make sure you're managing risk the right way. So I hope you all learned something, and I'd like to thank you so much for watching.